Hi, my name's Avantika. I'm going to be demoing my Innovator project, and basically, what I've created is a smart lecture app. Have you ever been in a lecture and you've wondered how to take notes, whether you should just record the professor, whether you should take handwritten notes? Now, this app does it all for you while giving you the extra knowledge that you need, in case you don't have as much experience as people around you, or if you just need something more engaging to keep up in class. And what this does is basically it records your voice, either on the website or on the app. And once it has a recording, you can either generate notes or generate quizzes. So if I generate notes, you can see that it's able to produce notes on the screen. And if you press generate quizzes, now I didn't give it any information, so I wasn't sure what to generate a quiz on, but it gave a default quiz on what is the largest planet, as well as an answer and options. You can see that in the terminal over here. Um, it was able to transcribe my voice, and from that, it was able to it tried to produce a quiz, but it didn't have much information. And now, how what I did to um Oh, now what I did to process my voice is I basically used I'll just show you my code. I used fl React for the front end and Flask for the back end. So as you can see, this is my React app. It has an audio recorder, which is how I recorded my voice. And then once you're done recording, it has two buttons, generate quizzes and generate notes. Now let's say you press on generate quizzes, it sends it sends the audio recording over to the Flask backend server. And so I'll just give you a look into that the Flask into the backend. So under app.py, I saved it. I transcribed it using Grok, so it's really fast transcribing. And so as you can see, um, yeah, as you can see here, transcribe audio does the transcription for you using the Grok API. And to generate the quizzes, basically what I did was I once again used the Grok API in generate MCQ one by one, and it generates a single multiple choice question based on the transcription text, and it uses the Llama model for this. And once it has a question, it sends that back into back to the React server, where it displays the quizzes. So far, I don't have a proper display for the quizzes, but as you can see, it was able to display the notes. And it's the same thing for the notes. I once again used the Grok API to generate notes with the Llama model. And and for further development with my app, I'm planning on having an extra tab where you can search the internet with related materials. So if you need any help with the material that you learned in the lecture or any additional resources, then this app will be able to point it to you. But yeah, that's it. Thanks a lot, and I hope you enjoyed my application.